By the end of this video, you will know for a fact that this is the easiest way to invest in real estate, and the results are guaranteed. That means anyone watching this right now can go out and execute these action steps and get a cash flowing rental property, because you know exactly how much profit you're going to make on the deal before you ever invest in the property. The reason why this strategy is so easy is because there's no rehab management required. You don't need any pre-existing knowledge, and you can do this from anywhere in the country. I have mentees who are doing this right now from outside of the country while they're on vacation, and they're projected to make over $100,000 on just one deal. That's without lifting a finger, like literally. There are 3 easy ways to get started with real estate investing, and the easiest way to get started will blow you away because it's the least expensive, meaning you can get started with the least amount of cash. It's also the most profitable of the strategies. Less than 1% of investors even know this strategy exists. So let's start off with the most difficult way to get into this strategy, and we'll work our way towards the easiest way to get started with this top 1% strategy. I'm saving the best for last, so you're going to want to stick around to the end. Ranking number 3 on our easiest ways to start investing in real estate is the turnkey buy and hold strategy. This is where you buy a property that's already tenanted. Because the tenant is already in place, you have access to the lease information. You already know what cash flow is coming in every month. Once you calculate the money coming in, you just have to calculate the money that's going out every month, like the taxes, the insurance, the property management fees, any maintenance costs, and of course your mortgage expense. And there are a ton of ways to reduce the cost of your mortgage. If you want to learn some advanced strategies on reducing your mortgage costs, make sure you watch this video that I put together that breaks down the most advanced strategies for reducing your monthly mortgage payment. So if there's money left over at the end of this equation, money coming in, money going out every month, then you'll know for a fact that this property will produce cash flow. All you have to do is buy it, put property management in place, and hang on to it. It's literally mailbox money, direct deposits into your account every month. So instead of putting all of your money into your 401k, your IRA, you can take some of that money off the table and put it into real estate. It's going to give you tax write-offs, tax benefits today that are going to allow you to keep more of your earned income, more of that W-2 money. Most people don't know this, but you can actually take some of those old IRAs and 401ks and use that money to purchase real estate assets within a self-directed IRA. If you want to learn more about self-directed IRAs and how you can put that money into real estate, make sure you watch this video that I put together for you. It's going to break it all down for you. Ranking number 2 on the list of the easiest ways to invest in real estate is the house hack. This is where you buy a turnkey multifamily property. Turnkey meaning the rehab is already done, the property's move-in ready, and you use a FHA loan if possible. This is that first-time home buyer's loan that allows us to get this deal for as little as 3.5% down. That means you can control a multifamily asset that's worth $300,000 for less than $10,000. Once you buy it, the goal is to live in one unit for a year and rent out the other unit or units if you have a triplex. If you do this right, the income from the rented units will cover the mortgage expense, allowing you to live for free. This allows you to save every dime that you're making from your side hustle or your W-2 job, and you can take that money and put it towards more cash flowing real estate. You don't need to do any rehab. All of that's done for you. You just need to live in one unit, get property management, tenant that property, and you're cash flowing right away. And last but not least, let's dive into the number 1 strategy, the easiest way to invest in real estate. And less than 1% of investors even know that this strategy exists. Ranking number 1 is the done-for-you BRRRR method. This is where an experienced developer handles everything for you. Someone who's done hundreds of full gut renovations and has all of the resources in place. They have the lenders that'll give you 100% of the money to buy and rehab properties. The realtors, the contractors, the engineers, the architects, the inspectors, everything that you need to complete a full gut renovation. With this done for you model, they plug you directly into their resources and systems. They help you to locate properties for pennies on the dollar, properties that you can buy for dirt cheap using OPM, other people's money. Then they help you to renovate these properties at the rock bottom cost without all the GC markups, without all the price increases. They're handling all of this for you while you're on vacation, while you're home, maybe while you're still working the day job. If you leverage this strategy correctly, you can have the acquisition, rehab, property management, and tenanting handled for you professionally. Once the tenant is in place, you can refinance out of this deal and pull all of your money back out. You have all of your money back in your pocket, back in your bank account where it belongs, and you have a cash flowing rental property to show for it. And since you have property management in place, you don't even have to serve as the landlord. When the phone rings, you don't have to handle maintenance calls and deal with tenants and handle evictions. That's all being professionally managed for you. But unlike some of these syndication strategies out there, you're still the 100% owner. You get all the tax write-offs, all the benefits of ownership. The reason why more people aren't leveraging this strategy is simply because they don't know that it exists. Or maybe it doesn't exist in your area, or you just haven't met the right person who can tap you into this strategy. That's why I took my team and my resources that I've done hundreds of deals with, and I put together a done-for-you service that people like you can tap into so that you can experience the easiest way to invest in real estate. We even have supercharged investment strategies like the co-living strategy that can 2 or 3x the cash flow on every rental property that you own. If you want to learn more about the co-living strategy, make sure you click the video and watch my co-living breakdown where I break down this strategy for you in detail. I guarantee that you've never heard of this strategy. I put links to other content in the description of this video so that you can tap into even more value, more videos, more content on my channel. It's been real, guys. Hopefully this helped. Brian Grimes, your real estate mentor, signing off.